Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Redmi A1. I can finally say that this is a budget smartphone that does not suck. I can say that after a very long time. Now Xiaomi started the A series under the Mi branding, but this is the first time that they're bringing the A series under the Redmi branding. And A series means that this smartphone does not come with Mi UI, it comes with stock Android. Yes, stock Android under 10,000 rupees. In fact, this is stock Android Go. Android Go is a lighter version of Android for such smartphones. Smartphones which don't have the high-end specifications, they are budget friendly. For such smartphones, Android Go is available and it comes with this smartphone as well. Now, obviously, this smartphone is not for the tech enthusiast or the gamer out there. This smartphone is for people who are buying their first ever smartphone or for some person who does not want the high-end specification, just wants a basic smartphone. This smartphone is perfect for them. Now don't get me wrong, for the price of rupees 6,300, Redmi A1 is great for normal tasks. Things like checking your email, watching YouTube videos, replying to WhatsApp messages, or using Google Pay or UPI applications. For all these things, the Redmi A1 is great. It comes with a MediaTek A22 processor, which is a very basic processor, and along with that you get 2GB of LPDDR4X RAM. So it's good to say that it is LPDDR4X RAM, which makes a difference. I would say for normal day-to-day stuff, the Redmi A1 is a great smartphone, and especially because of the lighter OS, which is Android Go. Android Go is not that resource heavy, and that's why with only 2GB of RAM, you do get good performance. Also, if you end up buying this smartphone, I would recommend to install light version of all applications. So Spotify Lite, Facebook Lite and other light applications, because those work great on this smartphone. So everything is light with the Redmi A1. And yeah, this is Android 12 Go edition, not Android 11, Android 12. Now what about the display? Redmi A1 comes with a 6.52 inches 720p display, and the quality of the display is surprisingly good. I did not expect the quality of the display to be good because of the price of the smartphone, but I was pleasantly surprised. The display quality is really good. So if you want to watch YouTube videos or Instagram reels, then you can definitely do so without any worries, and you will have a good time at it as well. Display quality is surprisingly good. As far as biometric authentication goes, you get none. I was hoping that it would at least have face unlock, because then you have some sort of biometric authentication, but that is absent on the Redmi A1. It's now time to talk about the cameras. Again, I was pleasantly surprised over here that the camera does not suck. It is a good camera if you give it a lot of light. So in terms of daylighting conditions, you can click some good photos considering the price of this smartphone. It's not like the Redmi A1 has a potato camera, nothing like that. The camera is actually good. So if you want to send some photos over WhatsApp or something like that, then you can do so with the Redmi A1, and that's why I was pleasantly surprised. In the past year or so, every smartphone launched in this price range was really bad in terms of the cameras, but Redmi A1 is an exception to that. It also has a 5 megapixel front camera, which is okayish, not the best out there, but that is expected at this price. You can click some selfies and do video calls as well, which is the main thing after all. You can do video calls with this smartphone. Like, the front camera will get the job done for video calls. As far as the battery goes, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and for the use case of this smartphone, it will easily last you for 1.5 days or even 2 days for that matter. Battery life has been really good with the Redmi A1. As far as charging goes, you get a 10-watt charger inside the box, and the charging is very slow. It is not fast charging by any means. It will take upwards of 2 hours to charge this 5000 mAh battery. But at this price, I don't think anyone is complaining about the charging. One thing that I am complaining about is the micro USB port. It does not have a USB Type-C port, which is honestly disappointing. It should have had a USB Type-C port, because USB Type-C is everywhere. Talking about ports, you do get a headphone jack, because at this price, people are not going to buy wireless earphones. They will use wired earphones, and that's why you do get a headphone jack, which is always welcome in my opinion. And yeah, you also get a built-in FM radio application, which does not come with stock Android. So it's good to see that Redmi has included a built-in FM radio application. This gets me to the speakers. The speakers are also good for the price of this smartphone. They get plenty loud and do not distort at higher volumes, so they're good for the price of this smartphone. I also did not have any issues with call connectivity whatsoever. This is a dual SIM smartphone. Both will support 4G LTE, and you can easily use both SIM cards without any issues. Also, I really like the design language of this smartphone. The design looks very modern. It does not look like an old smartphone. It looks like a modern smartphone, and in these colors, it looks absolutely stunning. The blue one is my favorite. You guys let me know your favorite color in the comment section down below. And yeah, the phone is built solid as well. It does not feel cheap at all. It feels like a well-built smartphone. Especially with this leather-like finish on the back, it feels really good. To sum it all up, I can finally say that this is a budget smartphone that does not suck. Redmi A1 is a great smartphone, offers very good value, and you can definitely consider it. If you want to buy it, I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Redmi A1. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.